Hey everybody, happy holidays! Welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you guys are here. I'm filming this on Christmas Eve and I just love Christmas time. It fills me with so much joy and I love being around my family and I love buying like that perfect gift for every single person. I just love it so much. So I hope you guys are having a great Christmas too. I know sometimes the holidays can be hard and they can be stressful, but put all that aside, take a seat, take some time for yourself. Give yourself some fun, playful makeup for the holidays. You know, like it's okay to have fun for you too. Especially say that to the moms out there, because every time I talk to moms, they're like, doing this for my kids and that. It's like, do something for yourself. I guess that might be easy for me to say because I don't have kids, but I don't know. I'm one of 6 and my mom definitely needs to rest more. So take some time for yourselves these holiday too as well. Anyway, for today's video, I'm gonna be using some new stuff to create this Christmas look for you guys. I just wanted to go big or go home really with the red and green thing today. So I am using the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palettes. I'm using some of the melted metallics. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, because if you're hung around this long, I mean, you might as well, and then that way you won't miss out on my next video. I'm gonna try really hard to get in a New Year's Eve look before New Year's Eve. That's the goal. I'm always doing these things last minute, I swear. Life's hard. Anywho, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching and let's jump into the video. Okay, so let's get started. I always look so weird without anything on my eyes, but it's okay. I did my brows and I think they look really good. What do you guys think? I got like my nails ready for like Christmas/New Year's. Yeah, anyway, so I'm really excited. So I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette, and I wanna do a really cool, like, green eye. So I'm gonna definitely use this shade. I'm probably gonna use this shade, this one on the lid, this to add a little dimension. Anyway, I feel like it's gonna be great. And to start with some dimension, I wanna put this color right here in my crease. This is a nice medium fluffy brush. This is the M513 Morphe brush. I'm going to use these. I love these Obsessions palettes. I haven't used this one before, so I'm kind of testing it out today. Really excited about it. All of the shadows that I've used from her before have been absolutely brilliant. So that's coming off a lot darker than I had thought it would. That is pretty dark, which is okay. I mean, we were going for a kind of a deep look, but look how dark that is. Oh, look at all that fallout. Okay, I'm gonna get some of my Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna use this big Morphe brush to sweep that away. I'm gonna dip this in that powder and stamp this along my eye. Kind of a little protection barrier on both sides. Okay, see, that's what I wanted more, like a soft look, and I kind of went a little ham on this side. It's okay. We'll buff that out. We'll buff it. There, it's blending really well, just like all of her shadows always do. I love buying these little compacts because it just gets you to be really creative. I love the different colors that they come out with, and you know, I don't usually wear green on my lid. Although I have done a few green looks lately. I did one with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I did one with that recent NYX palette, the Ignite one. I did like a greenish look there too. So, you know what? I'm actually more adventurous than I thought. Now that that's buffed out, I'm gonna take this shade with the same brush, go just on and a little bit beneath what I've just applied, and we're gonna go just underneath it. I like to bring it out this way just a little bit because I do find my eyes can be a little close set together otherwise. And this can kind of help open the eye, make them look a little bigger. I'm gonna blend this in. These do blend together so well. And see, it just added like a little bit of depth having that other shade underneath it. And we'll probably go back over just a little bit and a little bit to have it kind of pop over top even more. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M514. I'm gonna go back in with that deeper shade and just kind of wisp that over the top edge just to make sure it's really poking through that top part. So you can kind of see it a little more. So that way it just kind of peeks over the top and you can see the blend of the shadows. It's so pretty. I really like it. Can you tell? I think what I'll do is I'm gonna use this on the outside, this in the middle with that in the middle too. Okay. I'm not gonna do a cut crease. I'm just gonna put the glitter over top with a flat brush. I think that'll be fine. This is my favorite Quick Fix by Urban Decay. And we're gonna put that on either side of the lid. I'm gonna do like a faux cut crease here. Oh, it's so pretty. I've literally had this palette since Black Friday and I haven't used it. I was like, I'm gonna use this for Christmas. It's gonna be great. That's the only thing I think about some of these is they're hard to pick up when they're wet, but this is the way that they stay and you get the most pigment out of them. So it's a little more work than just using your finger. But I don't like the fallout that I get with my fingers, and I don't like, girl, look at these nails. You think I can place it on there that well with you? No. I think I am gonna use my finger on this one just because, look at that. Okay, and I'm just gonna set that right in the middle. And I'm gonna like lightly tap it onto the 3/4 way onto each of the other sides as well. You can see I'm just kind of blending, mix and blend, mix and blend. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye, and then we'll come back, we'll do the rest of the face, and then we'll do the lower lash line. Okay, so I think that's the lid. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Just these little delicate sparkles in the middle just make me so happy. For this look, I'm going to try out this Tarte Hampton's Weekender contour palette because I feel like these shades are really pretty, and like this is matte. This one's such a really pretty like mauve-y color. I don't know if you can tell. And then this is just this gorgeous highlight. So I thought I'd try it out today and see. I feel like it'd be great for traveling. I'm always carrying every single piece of makeup I need in a little bag. This is like my travel bag and I take it with me everywhere, just with like miniatures of all my favorite things, because you never know when you're gonna need something. I feel like a friend's always like, can you help me? Do you have this? Do you have that? And I'm like, I got you, girl. And if I didn't have it, I couldn't say that. I'm gonna dip into, oh, that kicked up a lot. Look at all that kickback. I would caution, be very careful. I do not want all that going on my face. Okay, that's a pretty shade. Giving some warmth back to my face. Here's the thing though, this mirror is kind of too small. And I won't use my Marc Jacobs bronzer because even though it's my favorite, but I'm gonna use the mirror because it's just a little easier. Okay. All right. Yeah, I like this. This is pretty. It's like a little on the purpley side, you know what I mean? Like it's more of a cool toned than a warm toned bronzer, which is kind of what you want to go for anyways. I just really like my eyes. Okay. I like to pat and then brush it on. I have such a weird hairline, so I like to fill in my hairline just around the tip here. All right, now it's time to take this powder off. Look, a nice little line it gives me on my shadow too. Boom. Just take it on the edge of this one. Just lightly hit up my jawline. And I love putting it on the bottom of my chin. Make my chin look a little smaller. And now that that powder is gone, I'm gonna add a little bit more right up here, because I like it to blend into the blush that I wear. This bronzing contouring part is sometimes the longest part of makeup because you just want it to really look natural and beautiful. Now I'm gonna take this Morphe sponge, dip it into my powder again. I love this trick, and carve out my cheekbone. Does that match? Yeah. I'm going to use my favorite Real Techniques brush in the same palette. I don't know about you guys, but I have a favorite Christmas movie, and I'm gonna get to watch it today on Christmas Eve. I'm super excited. It's A White Christmas with Bing Crosby, and if you haven't seen that one, it's a little old. It's in color, but anyway, it's a little old, and it's a musical, but it's a really, really good one. Like, it's super funny. It's really good. The music's great. It's definitely worth it. Trust me. Okay. I don't normally do this with my nose, but I've been trying to like snatch my nose a little more. So here goes nothing. We're gonna use another Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna use this beautiful mauve-y shade for my blush. And I'm gonna just, oh, that's pigmented. Okay, I should have known the way it came off on the other one that this is gonna be that pigmented. I'm gonna stop using that and pick up my brush and kind of dust it a little bit so that way it's not too intense. I'm going to take this and just, we do not want to be too pink today. It's Christmas after all. Got to leave room for Jesus to be the star. Okay, well, I do like the color. I really do like the shade of pink, and I do really like this blush on me. I just think that this is all very, very pigmented and comes out ready to go. For a liner, I just got this. This is the NARS Larger Than Life Long Wear Eyeliner, and it's just like a mini one. It's not too big or anything. It was like something I got with my points. Actually, a decent thing I got with points. So I'm gonna put this liner on. And I find it to be really pigmented. It glides on really nicely. It's pretty comparable to the one I really love, the Urban Decay one. So good job, NARS. And it stays really well. It has good staying power. It kind of reminds me of the Marc Jacobs one a little bit as well. Boom. For the under eye, I bet you're wondering what I'm gonna do, and guess what, so am I, because I just forgot about it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this shade here, and I'm gonna take that really close to the eye. That looks pretty. It definitely looks more green next to other greens, I think. Well, I'm gonna do this off camera. I'll be back with lashes on, and we can do like lips, fix the rest of the face, and we're almost done. Like, we're almost there. Guys, tomorrow's Christmas. I'm so excited. I bought everybody presents, literally everyone, even like just something small, because I love giving. I feel like I have like a gift, and it is that I'm good at giving gifts. Get what I'm saying? Anyway, I'll be right back. My second favorite mascara lately has been this Tarteist mascara. I think this is, yeah, this is the kind I like. I just got it in the mail from them. It reminds me a little bit of the Bad Gal That's literally a tongue twister every time I say it. Bad Gal Bang mascara. Oh my god. Blah. But it just has a little bit of a bigger wand, and yeah, I like it. Rest of the face, let's go ahead and wipe this away on either side. Freshly just cut, ready to go. Let's use a little bit of this Beach Getaway highlighter here. And for that, I'm going to use this fluffy Morphe brush. Okay, it's kind of reminding me of the Hourglass highlighters that are just a little more powdery and glowy. They're not like super blinding, but I do think it's really pretty. And since we're going to church, and again, not trying to take anything off of Jesus for Christmas, this will be just fine. So should we do a red lip or what? I don't know. I don't know where the red case is, but I got both of these lipsticks. I love the Too Faced Melted Mattes. And this one's like a glittery red. This is the Metallics. And this one's real teal, but I feel like it looks greenish. Okay, I guess it is teal, but it's like green, I don't know, kind of green. I'm not gonna wear this to church, don't worry. I just wanna put it on for the video. What do we think? I kind of got all my teeth, but it tastes really good. It kind of tastes like vanilla. Does that gonna work with my green look? It's like a very Medusa. I'm gonna have to take this off and put on the red one. I feel like red's maybe too garish too, but we're gonna try on a few of these lipsticks because it's just fun. And I love the holidays. Merry Christmas, everybody. Now we're gonna go with our red Melted Metallic Liquid Lipstick by Too Faced. Let's go ahead and put this on. Okay, the last little step I want to do is put a little bit of this beautiful greenish yellow shade just in the inner corners of my eye. Just to add a little, look at that. The dimension that it gives. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, okay, I love that. I love that so much. And then I'm just gonna pop a teeny bit right there. Just a little bit with this tiny little baby brush. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I feel like that's just stunning. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna go in with my Becca highlighter. I have to say, I feel like, okay, got it everywhere. This just adds like a little bit more of what I'm looking for on the tip of my nose. Right there, okay. Just a teeny bit above the brow to give it that lifted look. Just the finishing touches where we need them. Okay. I'm just gonna add a little more right here. I just feel like. All right, you guys, that's the finished look. What do you guys think? I give this like a 10 out of 10. I love all these shadows and colors in here. I really, really liked it a lot. I love, of course, I already knew I liked the melted mattes, but I never tried the melted metallics. I think they came out with these Christmas time last year, but I really, really loved them. And then the Pro To Go thing, I think I said it over there, but that thing was actually really nice. I liked the blush. I think everything came out really pigmented and more than I was expecting, so you definitely want to go in with a light hand with that. But I think it's gonna be great for traveling, like really, really helpful. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Merry Christmas. I'm so excited. It's Christmas Eve. Christmas is tomorrow, and I'm gonna get this up tomorrow morning. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas with your families. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Merry Christmas.